Hello everybody, it's Greg here from Ragosa. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, glad to have you. If you're returning, welcome back. I hope to earn your like and subscription today. Right now, we're managing our corn trade. It is Thursday. We've been in the trade for about 4 days now. Corn has gone off on a wild ride. Let's just pull up a chart. Okay. So we got in right around here. About 185 and a quarter, 186, something like that. And corn has gone up 3.7% since then. Just absolutely rocking. Just rocking. Anyhow, this puts us right at the top end of our short strike, and decisions need to be made. I've been humming and hawing this. Do I want to roll it out to October? Move it out into this cycle here. We're at the 505. If 505 is trading, let's say 15, I need to grab at least 15. I can roll it out to maybe the 520, definitely the 515. And that's one option. Another one that I'm thinking is, we're only 36 days in. I can just reset my risk and pick up the another iteration of the poor man's covered call, which I think is what I'm gonna do. So rather than rolling from a 24.2 to 25 IV chain, I'm gonna take advantage of the fact that the back month is trading for 0.5% IV lower than the front month, and sort of just reset where I'm at, given the movement. So we're going to look again for a 60 delta call, and then what does that look like on the front end? Do I want to have 30 deltas again? Well, I could, and that would push that'd push me to 530, which should be a 40 point wide, or a 525, which would be a 35 point wide. If I want to keep it the same 30s, I can actually pull some cash off the table, because the net roll on there, even looking between the two, this is the old position on this monitor here. This is going to be the one that we're going to move to. We can capture at least one point on that roll, but if we go out this way, keep the same spread width, but we can just capture some more points. This is going to be a little bit more sensitive in terms of Vega. How does this look like if we're going to roll it out? Well, 520 is the strike that we are going to roll to anyways in October. So, it's sort of, out of all the options on the table, moving up and out, closing the thing and running, if I still wanted to stay in the position, I still want to stay in the trade, I need to think on how to do that, and I need to give myself more breathing room one way or another. One way is rolling it up and out, so moving from September to October. Another way is just buying back and repositioning September, which I don't want to do. I don't want to take negative cash flow. And another option is just repositioning the risk if I feel that that's good. So right now, since our short is right on deck there at 500, it's going to have some of the tightest markets it'll ever have. Right now, our strategy is, our position is trading very nice, very tight. So I want to try to leg into and out of all of this, so we can try to capture maximum return. 24 and 1/8 is our target. That's our midpoint right now. Okay. So let's see if we can grab that. We're going to close you. Not closing. We'll do it on this screen. Let's try to get you out of there. Let's go. Let's take 5 1/4. We're moving up a bit. Let's try 5 3/8, and then we'll slam that. That's
order filled. Order filled.
all right. Well, that went off without too much of a hitch. Let's calculate what that was. So we're at 2/8. So 1/4. $24 1/4. That's not bad. Well, that's what the mid price is printing right there. But we're showing 24 1/8 on that. So things just worked out kind of nice for us. Cool. Let's put this into the if this thing pulls back on us a little bit, you know, basically if something happens in the next little bit, it's not, corn doesn't move this fast. All right, we netted out some points. Just to show you, there we go, got some realized profits. It's pretty nice. You know, those were the actual positions. We closed her out. You know, no funny business. It's all real money, no paper trading. Oh wow, looks like that's 1.25. Oh, we still got a good price for it. Still got a good price. Oh, it's coming up. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Interesting. Okay. I am going to take a quick break. I'm going to pause the video here, and we're going to go in for our entry, because it looks like things are a little bit kind of quiet. Things are shuffling around in here, and yeah, I just need a quick 5 minutes. All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Now to get back in on the trade, let's just make sure this is what we actually want to be in for, you know? Here is the change in open settlement from yesterday. We saw some risk come off the table overall in decrease in contracts. More exchange for physicals in September, a few more in December, but not as much as I think it was yesterday. Yeah, not as much as yesterday, but exchange for physical in September is still really rocking, and I think that could be because of here the Mississippi. I think it's because the barges are going to be able to move down a little bit faster, or a little bit fuller for longer here. We're looking you know, well into Wednesday, September 2nd for full draft, and right now we're a little bit above forecast for height. So I think that's helping things. Oh, we've got a little bit of a pullback. Huh. I wonder what that means for our... Let's just be bad. What did our previous thing price at? Huh. Not much of a difference. See, the nice thing about trading some options here is you don't have to, you know, you can take some time. It's a little more relaxing sometimes. A little more relaxing. Okay, now do we still want to be in this? The Mississippi's going up. There's some rain happening out in Tennessee, or at least there was, and some out on the Missouri River as well too. You can see it's looking to pick up a bit. Let's check our Earth map. Okay, so temperatures are calming down a little bit maybe. But we can see here, this is around the if my little geography lesson was proper, this is like Knoxville, Tennessee, or something like that, right in there, and this is a mountain range. Or maybe the mountain range is over there. I don't know, something like that. Actually, I should look on my map. Oh, we're by Lexington, wherever Lexington is. Guess near there. Where was Knoxville? Maybe I'm all. Ah, no, I was thinking right around there. That's what I was thinking. Okay, right down there. I was thinking Knoxville. Or right in there. See, you learn so much. Learn so much. By just trying to find a way to make some cash. Alright, let's see how much water is in these clouds. You know, decent amount here, it looks like, eh? Let's see what's happening out on there. Seems kind of quiet. Oh, what about the Gulf? Let's look at Brazil. Kind of quiet. Alright, we're still not updated in Brazil, so we don't know how that is going. Well, 24.5, 22. Let's get in on this. We'll put our bid in for you. Because we want 490, right? And then we're going 520. Right? Yep. Ooh. There. If it goes up much more, that'd be worth getting into the 95. Let's see how this is going. We're on kind of a bit of a march up. Don't want to get stuck with it or get in a frenzy. Okay, let's look at getting in 31 and an eighth. Mild spread between the two. It's not as big as I'd like it to be, but let's try 31 and a quarter.
Order filled.
Cool. You're not taking my... Come on. We're right there. It's unfortunate I didn't get picked up in the mid right when we blasted that through. I hope I don't get hit with some more slippage. $21 and a quarter. Yeah. We paid 31 and a quarter. So we're not getting it from mid. And spot is falling away from us.
Order filled.
There we go. Not exactly what I would have wanted, but it's what we get. we're at the full end of that. Sucks. Alright, updated the math on that. Let's look at our little combo going there. Updated corn farm. We just kind of got murdered on that entry. Just murdered. Whatever. Oh wow, a lot of volume went through on that call. A lot of volume. Alright, basically back up to... Alright. What more is there to look for here? Let's see how the overall market is doing. S&Ps, not so great. Oh, oil. All right, let's look at our 5-minute for some corn. Not so big. All right. Well, thank you for joining me. We're just under 30 minutes here. You saw me roll the position, reset the risk. We'll see how this goes. All right. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye.